What's going on YouTube? It is Luke Waters back again with a YouTube video. Now before I get into this video, I got a little bit of a background story on what happened to my car Friday. So I'm driving into work, normal day, just cruising on the highway, and I notice ahead of me there's a semi-truck with some snow and some ice on the top of it. So I instinctually slow down, back away from the truck because I don't want the ice that's coming off the truck to hit my car. So I'm cruising on down the highway, I keep an eye on this truck, I'm staying back maybe 100 to 200 feet, trying to stay back from it, don't want to get hit by any ice, and all of a sudden, this big chunk of ice, I don't know, it was huge, comes flying off the truck, boomerangs around the highway, and smacks the headlight on the Regal. I lost the whole entire headlight, it's broke, the housing's cracked. It's kind of frustrating because I don't want to go outside and change it because it is literally like 10 degrees outside, but we got to get it done today. Luckily, me being me, I got some extra housings. I'm going to put these in it. The ones that are in it are currently blacked out, which kind of sucks that I lose my aftermarket headlights, but I'm going to put the stock ones back in and bring you guys along with me. Oddly enough, when it took out the headlight, one of my rear turn signals went out, so we're going to be replacing that as well. So let's get suited up to go outside and get this thing done. Alright, I believe 2 sweatshirts and 2 pairs of pants is going to be enough to go outside. Now we're going to take our headlights, we're going to go outside and get these bad boys thrown on. If you've never done it before, on a Regal, super easy. There's 2 white clips you pop out, you unplug the pigtails, put the new ones in and you're good to go. My God, it's cold out here. Okay, pop the hood. Okay, put your headlights in a safe place. Plug your air filter back in because your cold air intake sucks. Just that easy. So as you can see, it was pretty easy to swap over the headlights. I probably overdressed a little bit, but here is the damaged one. Let's take a look at the carnage here. So I don't know how well it's gonna pick up on the camera, but right there you can clearly see where that chunk of ice smacked into the headlight. Let's take out these headlights and see what kind of condition they're in. The headlight doesn't even look damaged. Uh-oh. Let's just grab the keys and make sure that the headlight is working like it's supposed to. Hopefully it's not more severe damage than I'm thinking here. Okay, we're in the car. Turn this bad boy on. Turn the heat off. Okay. Got something mounted on the right side. Okay, turn signal works. Turn the light on. Oh. Alright, sorry the video took a quick jump. The battery was dying, so I had to charge it real quick. But yeah, we put in the new headlight, plug everything in. Everything's good. I replaced the taillight real quick. Taillight's pretty easy. It's just 3 black screws you can take out with your fingers. The rear bulb was fine, but the turn signal was bad, so I don't know how that works. Why would the opposite side taillight blow at the same time the front headlights went out? You know, I'm looking at these headlights, and I don't see anything visibly wrong with them. Yeah, I see a problem with that one for sure. But this one's okay, my high beams are good. No other visible damage of the housing though, just that crack on the front. Which is crazy to me. How did that manage to bust out that light? That is insane. Like I said, this housing is fried. Like I said, it's the black background. It's hard to see because these housings are really old. But hey, it is what it is. So what we learned, keep your distance from semi-trucks. Look out for chunks of ice flying off the top of the trucks that could possibly hit your car. Luckily, no other damage was done. And I thought it was funny because I was trying to put the headlights in earlier. I put the wrong side upside down. I'm like, well, I want these to go in, but I realized that I'm kind of stupid. But short video for this Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, keep your distance from those semi-trucks. As always, it's been Luke Waters. I'll see you guys in the next video.